Sometimes you will get a validation error. In this case, for the TDS, if you get a validation error, you just select on this error description. It will tell you the TDS credit related to which one. So you select self in your case, and then you have to select the head of income. So in case if you're getting income from housing property or capital gain, in case of bank interest, most possibly you should select the income from other sources. But you can always validate from your tax service advisor. But for me, I'm selecting income from other sources for the bank interest. You say save here, and then you should be able to confirm here. Again, you go here, say confirm, and it says proceed to verification. Go to the proceed to verification. You select the option here, say proceed to review, and make sure you download a copy for your reference later down the line. It takes some time. So you download the income tax refund copies or the how much tax you are paying. So once it's go to your download folder, then you go there and you say if your everything proceed to validation. So everything has been validated. Your validation was successful. You go here and you can download the JSON file as well, because you may need the JSON file later down in your filing for next year. So again, you go to proceed to verification, and it says e-verify now. So you can just go instant e-verification via Aadhaar, OTP, or bank account, and e-verify you can later on in this case, or by ITR be fine. Okay, so generally I won't recommend the ITR form, because then you have to send a manual copy to income tax department, or later. Why not do it? This is recommended. You say e-verify now, you say continue, and once it is done, it will give you a number, and then you're all set. Thanks for watching. Take care.